Ano?
Ha! Tapos na. Ay, mga unggoy.
Doon tayo sa higaan. Hindi ako kakatayo ng
Gogi, batong hen.
Iiwan
Mga
kita.
unggoy, naglalaro ako na shawarma kiosk.
Iwan na kita.
Madaya. Madaya. Taranan.
Nakita lang ako si tita. Ganyan.
Yay, let's go.
Talagang ano
Welcome
yung
to your
hagalpak pa
night
ng
shift at
tawa.
Shawarma Kiosk. Let's start with the basics. Step 1. Turn. Great. Before serving, be sure to read the safety rules. They're super friendly, just like we are. And while you wait, feel free to watch TV or listen to the radio. Music keeps the mood up. Friendly reminder, don't look into their eyes. It's more fun that way. Have a wonderful shift. Smile, serve, and everything will be just perfect. They're already on their way.
Tinitimpla pa lang yung
Give me one
nagagano'n na.
shawarma, big one.
Give me one big.
Hello, sure, that will be
Hindi na pwede
150.
daw ay.
See?
Why? Yeah, about that I don't have any money at all. See,
Ay,
can you
no
make
free.
one for free? I'm starving, I'll pay you next time, I swear.
Si Imon.
Chicken natin rin.
Magugulatin naman yun. Parang gano'n na tigil mo.
Lumili tuloy yung paa. Yung talaga ng binti.
Nandyan pa. Dadaanan kita.
Here you go.
Ha, late.
Here, thanks.
Ito na na.
May ano ng buhok yan ay.
Sima. Ito yung karate.
James.
Hindi mo ko.
Hindi mo ako.
Wait lang. Di ba hindi naman siya ganyan? Di ba habang naglalapit siya?
Hiya, one shawarma. Training is nothing without food. Alright, that will be one.